Hi! Before I start, thank you so much for 152 subscribers and so the part 1 of the video got a lot of love and this is the part 2. Here we are going to be talking about Tumhara resume. I was carrying this big of file, half of that is empty. So this is the resume. Generally black and white, brown, neutral colors ही रखते हैं. I went ahead and made this pink. All of this is possible only when this is a offline application. ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन तुम्हारा, मेरा एटलीस्ट इन दिस केस, रेज्यूमे स्कैन ही नहीं हो पाता बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट ATS फ्रेंडली. ओके, सो व्हेन आई वाज अप्लाइंग फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स ऑनलाइन, I had to manually fill in the details. If my resume were to be ATS friendly, वो खुद ब खुद ही हो जाता था. Anyways, let's talk about the ATS friendly वाला thing. Again, something that you'll see a lot of people talking about on the internet. What I feel is कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशंस के लिए if you have a ATS friendly resume, that is the only way to go about it. The score and everything matters a lot. So I am linking down 2 or 3 of those ATS friendly resumes in the description box along with my resume, like this one which got me the job, so that you can take a look. Now for a fresher, these are a few things that you have to include in a resume. Have your email ID, your GitHub, your LinkedIn. If you do not have a LinkedIn, you need to have a LinkedIn which is fairly active. Also have, if you want to, you can make your own portfolio website, have a link to it, like I did in this case, but of course इसके ऊपर तो click नहीं कर सकते. You need to have your skills listed, a little about yourself, so like a professional summary of sorts, certifications that you have done. Now when you're talking about certifications, Coursera, Udemy, and a few other is okay. जो वो unpaid internships नहीं होती, जो 7 दिन के होते हैं, where they give you like tasks to do, and the first task is to update your LinkedIn. Yeah, those do not have them in the resume. I have a few listed in here also. I did one from like Coursera only, that was the UI design ka foundation. I have that. I have one from Free Code Camp and Udemy. So only 3 certificates wala courses that I had done that time, जिसको मैंने mention किया था. Now other than that, I have not done any internship, मुझे नहीं मिला दिया, मैंने projects बनाए. So that is what comes यहाँ पे. You need to have at least 3 projects that you know very well. They can ask you the code also. अगर तुम्हारे इंटरव्यूअर को ऐसा लगा कि हाँ नहीं ये तो कितना सही है, ये सही अलग सा प्रोजेक्ट है, explain like one function of that project. They can do that. So you need to, whatever project you are mentioning in your resume, you need to know the details of that project. Okay, also you can include your college में जो project किए रहते हैं वो. I did not include them in my resume because I made few very good games, okay, using Python. So मेरा Python उससे काफ़ी strong हो गया. I made Space Invaders, Snake Game, Pong, and all of these things are using the Pygame library of Python. So I knew all of these really well. I focused more on the Snake Game wala part because that's a very classic game that we all played, and I was able to make it. That was a follow along. Okay, another thing which a lot of people told me, like really working people told me, that even if those are follow along projects that you have done, you might have done something different, right? Abhi, in my case, I made a LinkedIn clone. I only focused on the front end part of it, but for the back end, I used Firebase. Now, Firebase has a lot of versions like any other software would. When I started the project, I had to work with Firebase version 9. Now, this version was fairly new, so I did not have much resources going around. If I were to be asked questions relating to, say, okay, you made a LinkedIn clone, this seems like a follow along project that you've done. How is your project different than the video that you followed, and what things did you learn? So I had an answer prepared that I used Firebase version 9, which was relatively new when I started with the project. Integrating it with the front end became difficult because I didn't have much of a community support. And adding to that is that there were documentation which I was not able to understand clearly. So navigating through the entire process and integrating it with the front end, making it seamless and at the same time real time, was a task which I was able to solve. Okay, the next thing is education. Of course 10th 12th के marks and तुम्हारा pointer जो भी है SEM. मैंने SEM 5 तक ऐड किया है, मतलब yeah, मतलब whatever it is, and also your hobbies that can become like a topic of talk. it can. But yes, that is that. Do not forget to check out the description box. I'll have my resume, as I promised, the sample resumes ATS wale, and my GitHub and my all the socials along with my portfolio will be in the description box. Check it out. Also, if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure to